Tyler Show and Tell. Science experiment. Hi, I'm Tyler, and today I'm playing with the science experiment.
Tyler will be making science experiments from the My First Mind-Blowing Science kit from Scientific Explorer. Okay, boys, we're going to do an experiment called Colorful Jiggly Crystals for our first experiment.
Whoa!
Tyler, what do you think is going to happen for the Colorful Jiggly Crystals experiment?
I think it's going to explode.
Explode.
That would be
Dangerous.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so, all right, the directions say, first, you've got to fill 2 cups of water, 3/4 full with water, and set them on a plate. So we've done that, right? Okay, so next, look at your blue scoops. Okay, you have 2 scoops. One's medium and one's small. Can you pick up the medium one? There's the medium one. Okay, you're gonna put in a medium scoop of baking soda to one of the cups. And then you're gonna use the stir stick to stir it, okay?
Okay, get you a big scoop of that. Now be careful, hold it steady. Okay, now drop it in the water. Okay, now use this to stir it.
Okay. All right, next, you're gonna add, okay, you need the small scoop.
Small one.
Small scoop. And Daddy, you need the red cabbage powder. But you've got to add 1 small scoop to each of the 2 cups. Don't stir in the powder yet. You're gonna watch what happens as it mixes on its own, and then you'll stir it.
Don't, you gotta hold it straight. Okay, let me see the other one.
What is it doing, Tyler?
10.
Okay, Tyler, now hold this stick, go slow, hold it steady.
What color is it, Tyler David?
Purple. I mean blue.
Wait, is one a different color than the others? So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take this empty cup and put it on the plate, okay? Right there, Mommy's gonna put it there.
Okay.
All right, boys, now, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna pour about 1/3 of the blue juice into the cup, okay?
It's this one?
This one?
Oh, let me do it, Tyler, because you can spill it. Okay, 1/3.
Okay, and the same amount of purple, or red, as they say. Now, you have 3 colored liquids. You have blue, purple, and red.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, now, what you're gonna do, okay? You've gotta add 2 medium scoops of the cross-linked polyacrylate copolymer to each of the cups.
Okay, Tyler, I'm gonna scoop it out and you put it in the, you have, when I give it to you, you have to hold it steady.
Okay.
You won't spill it.
Steady.
Okay, so do you have 2 of these?
Yeah, 2 scoops to each of the...
Good bead. There you go. 1.
I want to do it by myself.
Well, I have to help you because I want you to spill it.
2.
2.
Okay, boys, you know what we do next?
What?
We have to wait an hour to see what happens.
Oh. Yeah, we are kind of fluffy.
Yeah, fluffy and kind of tough.
So
cool.
Okay, boys, are you ready for the next experiment?
Yes.
Okay, this one is called dancing powders.
Whoa.
Okay, so we've got a cup on the plate. So now what we're gonna do is we need to add, okay, you need the medium scooping spoon.
I'll let you.
Okay, and you need to put 2...
I dropped!
Uh-oh.
It was like a dancing spoon.
It was a dancing spoon, I guess. Makes sense.
He was like,
What do we need to do?
Okay, so we need to put 2 scoops of citric acid into the cup. The dry cup.
Which one was it?
This is the dry cup.
Some citric acid.
This is the dry cup.
Okay.
Comes out on me.
Help me, yeah.
Okay, and then now you need to put 2 scoops of baking soda.
This time I won't spill it.
Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cup and kind of swirl it around to get the powders to mix. But you gotta be careful, okay? Just kind of swirl it around. You ready for the next step?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that cup of water right over there. Okay, you probably wanna, Daddy, can you scoot the plate over towards the middle so y'all can set it on the plate? What y'all are gonna do is you're gonna pour the water into the cup.
All of it.
All of it?
Yes.
Tyler, look.
Do we need a test tube?
You don't need a test tube right now. Okay, boys. Now it's time for the super special color changing volcano experiment. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna get the medium scoop. Okay, and you are going to add 4 medium scoops of baking soda
Into the water.
into a drop cup.
This one.
Mhm.
2 scoops or 3 scoops?
Okay. Alright, next what you're gonna do is you are going to,
Add water?
no, you're gonna add 1 medium scoop of flour.
Smell flour.
Then what you're going to do is you're gonna add 2 small scoops of the red cabbage powder to the cup.
With a small scoop? It's gonna be a huge volcano mess.
Okay, now take a stir stick and mix all the powders together.
It's gonna do something.
Not right now. Okay, alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the medium scoop and you're gonna add just 1 medium scoop of water to the powders. Alright, and then you're gonna take the stirrers and stir it until it makes a crumbly paste. You're going to dump the paste onto the plate and you're gonna mold it into a mountain shape in the center of the plate. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to add 3 small scoops of red cabbage powder to the water and stir it. And we're gonna have to have some warm water, so I'm gonna go over here and get some of that. Now we have the warm water. What you're gonna do with the warm water is you are going to add 4 medium scoops of citric acid to the cup and then stir it in. So Daddy's gonna have to do this part. Okay, so Daddy, take the medium scoop. Make sure it's kind of cleaned off. Okay, and you're gonna take some of the purple water and you're gonna pour it around the volcano like it's an island.
Put it in there.
All right, so Tyler, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the pipette, okay,
I bet.
and you're gonna get some citric acid in it, the water with the citric acid in it. Okay, squeeze, and then release. Okay, good job. All right, now, you're gonna drop it on top of the volcano.
Whoa, Tyler.
Look, it changed colors. You can keep putting more on there.
We hope you enjoyed watching our experiments. We're going to try to make some more experiments later.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.